When I think of the quintessential Brooklyn home, I think of a beautiful 1800s townhouse on a quiet street, rich with character, just like 16 Cheever Place in Cobble Hill. The 4-story townhouse is 3,400 square feet with 3 units, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath owner's units with a lovely garden and 2 one-bedroom floor-throughs. The property has many classic details with mosaic tile floors, ornate moldings, elaborate mantelplaces. It really is a charming space. I love Cobble Hill, the tree-lined blocks with its beautiful architecture, the great restaurants and stores on Court and Smith Streets, excellent public transportation nearby, and truly some of the finest schools in all of the nation, both public and private. If you're looking for value and charm in a great neighborhood, this might be the home for you.